This is Divyasri from Triple Department. This is my CA2 assignment of second BTech second semester. Subject name is analog circuits. My topic is multipliers. Multiplier in analog circuit. Understanding analog multiplication and its applications. Introduction. An analog multiplier is a circuit that outputs the product of two input signals. It is widely used in communication systems, modulation, and control systems. These circuits use transistors or operational amplifiers to achieve multiplication, essential in RF applications and signal processing also. These multipliers are used in signal processing and RF applications also. There are so many types of analog multipliers. First one, BJT based multipliers. First one, BJT based multipliers. It utilizes transistor characteristics of multiplication. The BJT multipliers are used in the characteristics of multiplication utilizing transistors. The MOSFET based multipliers. These multipliers are used field effect transistors for better linearity. For better linearity, these multipliers are used. Gilbert cell multipliers. Commonly in RF mixers and modulators, the Gilbert cell multipliers are used. In RF mixers and modulators, these multipliers are used. In logarithm multipliers, convert input to log domain, sum, and the for logarithm multipliers used for addition, multiplication, and subtraction and division. These multipliers are used in for addition, subtraction. So BJT multipliers are they utilize in transistors, and most of multipliers are used in the for better linearity. The MOSFET multipliers are used. In modulators and RF mixer, the Gilbert cell multipliers are used. For sum, addition, subtraction, for these the logarithm multipliers are used. The working principle. The analog multipliers exploit non-linearity properties of transistors. The basic equation is V output equals to K into V input into V input 2, where K is a proportional constant. The basic equation is V output equals to K into V input 1 into V input 2. The K is the proportional constant. The circuit manipulates current flow based on the input voltage. Based on the input voltage, circuit will be manipulated, often implemented using differential pairs of accuracy. About Gilbert cell multiplier, a widely used analog multipliers in RF application, the Gilbert cell multipliers are basically widely used. It uses in differential pair structure for high frequency operation. For high frequency operation, the Gilbert multipliers are used. Provides better linearity and accuracy. By using Gilbert cell multiplier, it provides better linearity and accuracy compared to the other multipliers. Essential in modulation, frequency, conversion, and mixers. The Gilbert cell multiplier is used for better linearity, accuracy, and compared to other multipliers, it provides better linearity and use it for high frequency operations. Applications of analog multipliers. Applications of analog multiplier, amplitude modulation and frequency modulation are used in the communication systems. Phase lock loops, PL, essential for frequency synthesis. The used in communication systems, the AM and FM are used, and essential for frequency synthesis, PLL is used. Used in noise reduction and control system, the adaptive filters are used. Helps in maintaining single consistency, AGC is used. AGC means automatic gain control. Machine learning hardware. Used in neuromorphic computing. Machine learning hardware is used. Example circuit analysis. Consider a BJT based multiplier circuit. This circuit uses differential pairs to implement multiplication, voltage and current relations, determine the output, and simulation results show how input signals combine to form the product. Example circuit analysis. First, we have to consider the one BJT multiplier circuit. For the circuit, use differential pairs to implement multiplication. Means have to apply the differential pairs to implement multiplication. Voltage for after determine the voltage and current relations of output. Next, simulate the result how input signals combine to form the product. At last, we have to take the result how the input signals are combined to form a product. Advantages and disadvantages of the analog multipliers. There are advantages like high speed operation, suitable for RF signals processing, high accuracy when designed properly, useful in both analog and mixed signal applications. The advantages are used in both analog and mixed signal applications also. The disadvantage is sensitive to temperature variations. It is very sensitive. The temperature is different. The circuit will be different. It is a very complexity design for layout requirements, high power consumption in some implementations. At conclusion, we say analog multipliers are essential in modern electronics. They enable critical functions in communication and control systems. The analog multipliers are essential in modern electronics. They're very useful for modern electronics in future. They enable critical functions in communication and control systems. Future advancement focusing on implementing speed, efficiency, and integration. Continued research in low power designs and enhances the applications. These about the analog multipliers. Thank you.